Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue when your Thermomix TM31 starts making a horrible grinding noise. This sound often indicates that the blades are damaged or misaligned, which can lead to poor performance and potentially further damage if not attended to promptly. If left unchecked, it could affect the overall functionality of your device. To get started, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver, a replacement blade, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully remove the bowl from the base, and set it aside. Next, locate the base of the Thermomix where the blades are housed. You may need to unscrew the base cover, which is usually secured with several screws. Use the screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the base cover to expose the motor and blades. You should now see the blades clearly. Inspect the blades for any signs of damage or wear. To remove the blades, grasp them with the pliers and pull upwards, being careful not to damage the motor underneath. If the blades are stuck, you may need to wiggle them gently to loosen them. Now, take your new replacement blade and carefully position it in the same spot as the old one. Push it down firmly until it clicks into place. Before reassembling the Thermomix, it's a good idea to clean the area where the blades sit, ensuring no debris or residue is left behind. Now, replace the base cover, ensuring everything is aligned correctly. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Thermomix and run a short test to ensure it's functioning correctly without the grinding noise. If you notice any issues, check to see if the blades are properly installed. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly check the blades for any signs of wear and keep your Thermomix clean, avoiding overly tough ingredients that could strain the blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.